the future of warfare is changing, right? The future of warfare is changing, just like the future of the economy is changing. It's going to be powered by non-biological intelligence. I mean, I don't mean that as an alarmist statement that the robots are taking over and humans don't make any kind of battlefield decisions, but rather you're entering this new model of not autonomy by machines, but humans and machines working together, right? And you can look at the example right now of Project Maven, where you're talking about all of the battlefield data that's being collected and then being used for drones, to kind of do drone strikes or reconnaissance, or all the kind of data that's coming from the battlefield that's central to this intelligence systems, where you have a much better understanding of what's happening, what your enemy is doing. But further to that, I mean, it isn't only just what's happening in the kind of hot conflicts of war. It's to do with cyber. It's to do with deterrence. And again, looking back at the history of technology and the history of civilizations, what do we see? I mean, history always shows us one lesson, and that is that the civilizations that have the best technology end up becoming the dominant civilizations. So technology is inherently tied, again, to sovereignty through these two pillars of security, right? It is paramount, if we're to be a sovereign nation state, that you're able to defend your borders, that you're able to defend your country, whether that's by deterrence or whether that's by having access to kind of the best defense systems, and again, to have economic prosperity.